Will there be yet another twist in the Rajasthan political saga? Well, at 11 o'clock today, a three-judge bench of the Supreme Court will resume hearing the Rajasthan case on the larger legal and constitutional question of the Speaker's powers and whether, in fact, the High Court can interfere with them. Last week, after the rebel camp led by Sachin Pilot went to the Rajasthan High Court and it gave temporary relief to them, the Congress had filed this petition in the Supreme Court challenging that order. On Friday, the High Court extended protection to the Sachin Pilot camp, saying the Speaker cannot take any action against them till the larger constitutional question regarding the Speaker's own powers is decided. Well, it seems also that the Congress may be divided over pursuing the Rajasthan case legally in the Supreme Court, and we'll go into that in greater detail. But let's go across to my colleague Vaidyanathan first. Vaidya, what's the latest, and what can we look forward to in court?
So, as far as the Supreme Court is concerned, the bench will sit at 11 a.m. and the hearing will begin. There are three options. One, as you suggested, Congress is contemplating to withdraw this case from the Supreme Court. The Speaker has filed against the High Court order, interim order. So if it happens so, then Speaker's side, Kapil Sibal, will have to inform the court saying that they are withdrawing. And second point is it's up to allow the withdrawal or not. And another aspect is, in case, if the case continues, then Supreme Court will have to continue the hearing. It may also include Centre as a party because constitutional issues are involved, and may issue notice to the Centre and adjourn the case. So everything depends on whether the Speaker wants to withdraw. Will he inform the court in the morning at 11 a.m.? So we'll have to wait till then.
Indeed, we will, even as the politicking continues. Vaidyanathan, just remind us of the kind of observations the Supreme Court had made in its earlier hearing, particularly talking about dissent and the suppression of it.
See, on Thursday, the Supreme Court took up the case, and on the Speaker's petition, he wanted the interim order of the High Court to be stayed. So at the time, Justice Arun Mishra, who headed the bench, said that a person, of course, he said that he is not responding to this particular Rajasthan incident. He said the MLA elected, he represents people elected by the people. Suppose if he speaks something against the leadership, can this be stifled? Is it democracy? In a democracy, can you shut a dissent? These are the remarks made by Justice Arun Mishra. So at the time, he also said that why can't you wait for a day? Because the hearing was on Thursday. The next day, the High Court was supposed to deliver those, which was done. So these are the remarks. Basically, Supreme Court going into the larger issue of Speaker versus the High Court power of both of them, whether they are within their boundaries or not. So, but all these things depends on the Speaker's move in the Supreme Court today.
All right, we leave it at that for now. Vaidyanathan, thanks very much indeed for joining us.